Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. I am your host, Tucker, and I've got some massive news about AMC stock. And I think you guys might want to hear this if you have some of the stock or have a position in it as an option, or if you just want to watch and learn about what's going on and how volatile and crazy things can get when you play this game. That's why I never do it. AMC went down today. It went down 17. It went down basically 18% during the hours of when it was open, and in the after hours it went down about 8.5%. So it went down to $51.34, and AMC just it said in the article, I'm gonna read it to you. AMC says it already completed its share offering, raises $587 million. This is on CNBC News headline. And so honestly, this is tough for me to explain. So I'm going to try my best, and I'm going to read my notes too, so I'm not looking at you. Don't take it offensively. I still love you. But AMC already completed its share offering. I've explained in the past, and I'll just remind you, offerings are when the company has so much money. Well, let's use nano dimensions. They do offerings all the time to lower the price of their stock and get more people into it, and then the stock goes up, and then they do another offering, and they just keep doing that and doing that. So you think the price is going to go down and you're going to go up. Well, it's basically you could day trade it on and on, or not. I don't know. So in this story, 11.55 million shares, which will be raised to $587 million. And so today, when you saw the stock suddenly drop, that's not a good sign for this story, AMC's story. If you're participating in this. AMC said it sold 11.55 million shares at an average buy price of $50.87 in an at the market equity program launch earlier today. I'm not a financial analyst or anything, so I don't know what that is, but it's something organization that they're doing. I don't know, but it also said that in the filming that it may sell some of its 11 million shares from time to time. That's not that comfortable of a feeling to Tucker. This is called, this is what it's called. Show you the picture. It's called an AK filing. See that? Or what's called an AK? 8K filing. Alright? It's kind of hard to see in the glare. But this is what it looks like. I've never seen one before. But it goes into like solid, real description about what's going on in this filing of AMC. And so, moving along, they will be when we see this, it creates a lot of red flags and warnings to investors. When we see something like this, what they're going to be doing is, I want to read the right part, but I'm going to read, no, I'm not going to read that part, but they said, I'll read this part. We believe that recent volatility and our current market price reflects market and trading dynamics unrelated to our underlying business or macro or industrial fundamentals, and we do not know how to these dynamics. Oh, we don't know how long these dynamics will last. It's hard to read. I got something on top of this writing. Basically, it's saying that we're telling you that this is a very volatile stock and you may be at risk of losing all of your money or some money, or if not all your money. And so basically they're covering their ass telling you this in this form. And you know how, I don't know if you pay attention to this, but YouTube now has you can read what the person's saying, so there's words on top of this, so it makes it hard to read the part that's the most important part. But it says in this part, under the circumstances, we caution you. This is a very important part, okay? Under no circumstances, we caution you against investing in our Class A common stock unless you are prepared to incur the risk of losing all or a substantial portion of your investment. Right there. Okay, and I know that we wouldn't see this, but it's telling you this. And so with this being said and this news coming out, it creates a lot of just friction and stuff, right? People's head, they don't know what to do, or oh my god. So there's options that are out tomorrow, or people bought now already, and the ones that we're going to try to look at or focus on is, first off, the $72 strike price. Now, if for any chance this AMC stays at 72 or above, we are in good luck. We are in good hands, and we're going the right direction. And it could go to $145. Now, this might not happen tomorrow, but it could happen next week or in the next very soon future, because contracts run out. I'm kind of going slow in this video, but I want to make it really clear what I'm saying. Now, there's different contracts and different prices, and in each contract, it tells you the volume of people that are involved in the contract, and like the volume of things that are going on and the amount of people that are in it. And so, just to give you an idea, I wrote down some information. This strike price, there's at $73, there's 44,000 people that believe this is gonna go up and stay there, and it's 170, basically 140,000 of volume of people. The next strike price is $60. And then there's a $50 psychological level. where I think when my source was talking about this, when you referred to this is the part where in your mind you could think it could go down lower, or you know, it's just like, oh, I don't know, we're kind of out of like the comfort shell, and that's why it's kind of called the psychological level. And so if we see this price go down, we could see AMC price go up pretty soon, but in the recent, based off of this news that happened today, AMC stock price will be, I would hold, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but for myself, I'm going to assess it as the day goes through, and if there's a chance to get out, I'll get out if I can, and then I will learn this as a learning experience, because it's gonna go, I have a feeling it says it's gonna go down, so the dip could go down. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know anything about options, but maybe it's down to $40, $20. But these contracts run out, and if they are incorrect and wrong, then it goes backwards, and then the stock just starts going up, skyrocketing, because all these people lost their money, then the stock goes up. That's kind of how it goes down. So I hope you found this video somewhat informative, and the way in which I explained it, I tried my best. And I really appreciate you guys that watch my videos. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it, honestly. And I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.